It's day 2 of 25 of doing something better than scrolling, and for today's episode we will be making Vietnamese iced coffee. It's been trending all over the internet and honestly we really wanted to try it out. So recently पापा गए थे वियतनाम and वो वहाँ से original authentic Vietnamese coffee लेके आए. So for making that you basically need a brewing thing. It's a tool which is used to brew the Vietnamese coffee. तो हमने वो Amazon से order कर लिया है and now let's get started. So this recipe is extremely easy and all you need is Vietnamese coffee. I guess you can also use some another coffee, but it's better to use Vietnamese coffee. उसके बाद you need this brewing tool. उसके बाद we need the magic ingredient that is Milkmaid, and then obviously ice and milk. So let's get started.